Guys, you're watching GermanGyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up on the very amazing and a very demanding video. So here we are. With the German abusive words. Yes guys, I have got a lot of requests, especially for the offline students who come here, request me that please ma'am make some abusive words if we are planning to go to Germany and somebody abuses us. We should be aware that what actually they are saying. So yes, we are up with this video. Make sure to subscribe GermanGyan if you are watching me for the very first time. Then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of GermanGyan. GermanGyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation and whatnot. So enroll with GermanGyan and let's start with the video. Let's go.
German slangs or German swear words. An important message for everyone is that this video is for educational purpose only. It's important to recognize these words in conversation, movies or street talks, but not to use them casually. So we do not promote offensive language. Now the very first question is, why do we need to learn the swear words? So knowing bad words in a language helps you to understand conversation in movies, series or everyday talk. It also helps to recognize when someone is being rude to you and it avoid accidentally insulting someone. That's why it's important that we should have the knowledge of these words as well. Top German bad words. The first word is Scheiße, means shit. Second is Mist, means crap. Third is Verdammt, means damned. Fourth is Arschloch. You can see the meaning of this word on the screen itself. And remember, this is a very strong insult, so don't use it casually. Then fourth is Fictisch. Again, you can see the meaning on the screen, and this is also an extreme insult. Next is Halt die Klappe, means shut up. So this is used as a rude command. And next is Schnauze, means shut your mouth. So this also means to shut someone up, but this is more rougher than shut up. So you should know when you are using which phrase or word. Next word is Du Idiot, means you idiot, and this is a mild insult. Then Klödmann means stupid guy or dumb ass. This is used for teasing and also for insult. The next is Kacke, means poop or crap. This is a soft version. Next is Dummkopf, means dumb head. This is a silly insult. Next is Verpiss dich, means get lost. This is a very rude form of saying go away. Then next is krass, means wild or crazy. This is a slang, but it's not that bad. Then next is Bist du bescheuert, means are you crazy? So this is a insulting question. And next is Leck mich, which means lick me, and this is a slang, and remember this is very very offensive, so don't use it. Where you might hear these words. So you'll get to hear these words in some street argument or in some Netflix shows like Dark, Dogs of Berlin or How to Sell Drugs Online. Now next place is very shocking, but yes, German schools and playground you can hear such words there also, because kids use them too. And if you are on social media, then some social media platforms can share some comedy or memes using these words. What to say instead? Clean alternatives. Now we have already learned some German swear words, but instead of using those, we have alternatives also. So instead of using those words, use the alternatives so that you don't sound more rude. The first word is Scheiße. Instead of Scheiße, you can use Mist या फिर oh man. Second is Halt die Klappe. Or instead of Halt die Klappe, you can say Sei bitte ruhig. So sei bitte ruhig is imperative sentence, which is very formal and very polite. Then third is Fick dich. Instead of saying this, just say Nerv mich nicht, means don't annoy me. Next, Dummkopf. So instead of saying Dummkopf, just say Quatschkopf or Spatzvogel, means silly or funny person. And next, Verpiss dich. So instead of saying this Verpiss dich, just say Lass mich in Ruhe, means leave me alone. So now you know which German words to avoid and which ones you might hear out in the wild.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you loved it. We'll catch you on the next one. Till then, keep learning German with GermanGyan. Take care. Cheers.